Hey guys, welcome to the Crafty Space. Today I will be painting what I call a modern cityscape. So sit down, paint along, and let's get into it. I started this craft off by taking a small size canvas and paints that I mixed myself to the colors I liked, and I took a paintbrush and painted stripes down. I then faded the color down towards the bottom of the canvas. I repeated this step with many stripes, trying to use all of my colors. What I did next was not the smartest decision. I tried to make a dark orange, and mixing orange and black, it ended up making this really gross color. And that's the color I ended up with after I mixed the black and orange. Anyways, I decided to just go in with a straight orange, and that turned out much better. After painting the base of the buildings, I went ahead with a black paint and a thin paintbrush and outlined the buildings. This step does not have to be done perfectly. I repeated this step with all of my buildings. With the same black paint, I went ahead and painted in windows and doors to each of my buildings. And then again, with the same paint, I decided to paint some clouds. If you would like to see a video on how I made this bracelet, please comment down below. After painting the clouds, I was finished. You can always paint your buildings with a different color or add a sun. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time!